Hello and welcome to the Introduction to Marketing course. I'm Solomon Bagwire. Today we're going to talk about 5 marketing concepts, which are market saturation, customer acquisition, customer retention, marketing your product using a celebrity endorser, and brand repositioning. According to Investopedia, market saturation is when the amount of a given product or service in the market is no longer generating new demand for a firm's product. This is due to competition, decreased in need, and undesirability of that product or service. Further offer can only be achieved through product improvement, increase in market share, or a rise in general customer demand. There are two marketing strategies that firm use to influence customers' decisions. The first one is customer acquisition. Customer acquisition is a marketing strategy that companies use when they want to attract a new customer for their product or services. Customer acquisition strategy can be done by delivering different advertisements through televisions, radio, on post, and so on. Giving promotion, bonus, and discount can also be helpful in order to attract many people to come and buy your product. Providing market campaign in different areas around the country is also helpful because it will help you to make many people be aware of the availability of your product and the service, and then they will think how they can purchase your product. The second market strategy is customer retention. Customer retention complies all techniques used by a firm to improve how it works in order to keep existing customer and make them feel happy and satisfied with being the customer of that particular company. Customer retention is done by improving the quality of your goods and services, listening to customer complaint so that you can improve on what they are not receiving good, and then go with their needs. Also, to listen to customer appreciation is good because it helps you to keep the good work and also be aware of what your customer needs, and you will produce in order to keep what they really like. Rewarding best customer is also a good strategy to maintain your customer, because when you are rewarding your valuable customer, they will feel happy, they will feel satisfied, and decide to stay loyal to your company. Giving promotions, bonus, and gift to customer is also a good way to keep your customer, because they will want to receive this reduction, this bonus, and this gift from your company, and then remain your customer. All these are done to maintain customers' trust in a firm or a company, and to make them feel pleased with what they are receiving. According to the lecturer in the MOOC that I read, customer attrition or customer churn or customer retention rate is a percentage of customers who stay with the company and continue to be loyal and valuable to it, even though there are other competitors who are doing well, but they decide to stay customer of that particular company. This is called customer retention rate or customer attrition rate. When a market is saturated, it is not good to use customer acquisition marketing strategy, because it may cost too much for a company to convince customer to shift from their actual company to be client or customer for that new firm or company. However, it is advised to use customer retention when the market is saturated, because it will help you to make sure that you maintain the customer that you already have. In addition, this strategy, when well implemented, it can help a company to retain existing customer, at the same time attracting new one. This is because some people may be attracted by satisfaction that is being received or offered, and decide to become customer of that new company. So when you are about to choose which market strategy to use between customer acquisition and customer retention, it is good first to refer to the demand on the market. If there is still demand of your product or service, or the market is about to be saturated. When you found that the market is saturated, it is well advised to use customer retention in order to maintain your existing customer and make them feel satisfied with being your customer. In marketing your product or services or any other business activities, you can also use a celebrity endorser to attract many people to buy your product or services. When you choose a celebrity endorser to endorse or to promote your business, you have to consider the reputation and perception that your chosen celebrity endorser has within the community. How much he is popular or influential, and how many fans he or she has in the community. Many people tend to follow their celebrity and then imitate what they are doing. So when your chosen endorser has many fans within the community, it will help you to attract those fans of your celebrity endorser to come to buy your product or service. Another concept is brand repositioning. Brand repositioning means that a brand has to be updated and look modern. It is how to keep a brand fresh according to changing customer behavior and preferences. In doing so, a brand name should be reinforced, adjusted, and so on. Some reasons for brand repositioning are the identity or execution of the actual brand was poorly perceived. This can be measured by customers' interest in your product, brand association, or the volume of sales of your product or service on the market. Another reason is that the target market the target of identity is limited, and then you want to expand it to meet a broader market. The third reason is that maybe the identity has become out of date because of market changes. In this case, you need to refresh your brand to go with changes. Another reason is that the existing brand become old-fashioned, and you want to make some changes which will generate more information to customers. Through the change that you made on your brand, you remind customer that your brand is already there, but you add some information which will make your target market or your target customer to have many information about your company. When you want to reposition a brand, you have to make sure that the new brand is still consistent with the actual one. Keeping the consistency in your brand will help you to avoid to create confusion among customers. Maybe when you change your brand and you don't keep consistency, customer will think that you have changed what you were doing, or that brand is really yours, and they will not follow you and continue to be customer of your company. So I think you got this presentation interested. We have said that we have looked about market saturation, customer acquisition, and customer retention strategy of marketing. We have also seen about advertising or marketing your products or services using a celebrity endorser, and then after, how you can reposition your brand, which can cause you to reposition your brand. And I remind you that you have to keep consistency within your brand when you are about to reposition it. Thank you so much.